Oklahoma. All right, guys, it's time for our Mad Science Friday finale. Yay.
All right, Malcolm, we got to kick it off, though,
Okay.
with a question.
Uh-oh.
When you were younger, what were some of the rules that you had to follow?
No running in the house, no balls in the house, pretty much no fun in the house, because if I broke anything, that means I was going to be having some bones broken myself.
I feel like we have the same rules for you here, but you still break them.
Yeah.
It makes for great TV, so we don't complain. And today, our favorite mad scientists are breaking a classic rule we heard as kiddos, but hey, it's all in the name of science.
Yes. Let's head back to see what the scientists in the lab are up to today.
Yes, we are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof indeed.
Yes, and today we're going to be playing with our food. Yeah. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you that we can stack water on top of water. We call this a density stacker. Yeah.
I don't.
He doesn't get it yet. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I've got some hot water. Mom or dad, parent or pet need to help you.
Wait, didn't we already do that? Just water and water.
Yeah, don't worry. You'll like it, okay? So there we've got water. All right. And then there we've got water. And there we've got water.
I've recently been going in blindfolded for a lot of these.
That's okay. And here we've got water. All right. Now we're going to stack one on top of the other, but in order to see how we stack it, we're going to add food coloring. So go ahead and put one drop of food coloring in there. Sorry, in that one, green, in that one. Just look, tip it over like that. There you go. Red, and then blue in that one. Yellow. Okay. Just tip it, just like this. And tip it over. He's trying to unscrew it. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we've got kind of a pink, kind of a yellow, kind of a green, kind of a blue. Put another one in the blue, and I'll put another one in the red. Now, we're going to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. But before we do that, what I want you to do, get that spoon right there and put two spoonfuls here. One. There you go. 2, 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 there.
What does red get?
Red gets none.
Ah.
Okay, so see what we're doing, we're making the water more dense. We're playing with the density of the water. Are you counting?
Yes.
I'm not. Okay, we're playing with the density of water, and the red is the least dense. Then as we add more and more sugar to them, they get more and more dense. Go ahead and stir that one. Okay? So now I'm going to pick this up with my straw, and you're going to see that it stacks. This is going to be so cool. I saw this on a YouTube video. Hey, wait, that was our YouTube video.
Yeah.
Red, yellow, green, blue. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. We'll do it again. Okay?
What is this?
Red, yellow, green, blue. Now, that one didn't work as well. One more try.
I have one question. What is this?
What is this? Look down there what Jeremy has.
Ah!
It's just sugar.
Can I have one?
There we go. There we go.
Yeah,
Oh, and it fell out. You got to hold your finger over there real tight, okay? Okay, you can use any straw you want. The thinner the straw, the better. There you go. Yellow. Oh, that was good. Green. Green. Oh, yours is best. Hold it up that way. There you go. His is much better than mine. Check that out. Now, here's what you do. Hot water mixed with sugar. Okay? 2 spoonfuls, 4 spoonfuls, 6 spoonfuls. And then we picked it up with a straw. You just put it in and then cap it so it would hold. Put it in, then cap it so it'll hold. Put it in, then cap it so it'll hold. Put it in, and see. I didn't hold it well enough.
See, guys, I am.
Try it at home. Send us your pictures to our YouTube channel, to our Facebook page at Mad Science, OKC.MadScience, Mad Science Oklahoma City, and we might even put you on YouTube, make you internet famous. How
I
cool
will
is that?
say it's best. It works really well if you actually like watch it move up. That way you know you got it.
He's good at this. There you go. All right, that's all we have for you today.
We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday experiment. You can also visit OKCMadScience.org for more STEM fun.